Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm here with your August add-on kits. So we have the cardstock add-on, the pattern paper add-on, the embellishment add-on to coordinate with your flavors of the month so that it can go even further. We also have the Shots of Life, which coordinates and it can give you more pattern paper and embellishments as well. So be sure to check all of those out. I have unboxing videos linked at the end. So we're going to dig right in and take a closer look at each one of these add-ons. The first add-on we're going to look at is the cardstock add-on. And the cardstock add-on gives you 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one and 1 of another. This is great if you like to do double page layouts and have cardstock as your background. So I've left the pattern paper here so that you can see how well it coordinates. Also, if there's anything that gives you an idea of what you can mix and match between collections. Starting with 49 in Market, Glimmer and Glee, you're going to get 1 sheet of Pink Champagne and 2 sheets of Glacier Melt. For Bella Boulevard, Walking on Sunshine, you're going to get a sheet of Sea Mist and 2 sheets of Grasshopper. For Doodlebug Design, Color Me Crafty, you're going to get 1 sheet of Maze and 2 sheets of Dutch Iris. For the Simple Story, Simple Vintage, Timeless Harmony, you're going to get 1 sheet of Desert Aloe and 2 sheets of Light Almond. Next up is our pattern paper add-on. And for your pattern paper add-on, you get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with Glimmer and Glee from 49 in Market, we have this paper called Bash. It has all of the different patterns here and the text. The back is a pink star on kind of a creamy tan background. The second page from that collection is Hooray. So we have a background page on ledger with all of the cakes and the macarons and stuff down here. And the back is that gorgeous plaid in the blue and green. For Walking on Sunshine from Bella Boulevard, we have this paper, Sunshine Party. And it has those rainbows and that rainbow sun again, and the clouds, florals, butterflies. We have a wide striped on the white. Second paper for that collection is Dotted Delight, which is yellow polka dots on this framed background. So that's a perfect background page already. Just add some photos and embellishing. The back is the white daisy on the blue. Color Me Crafty from Doodlebug Design. We have this gorgeous floral print. This is plaid. It's purple. Purple plaid on the back. And then we have this paper, Garden Girl, which is a black polka dot on green. And the back is that gorgeous floral. For the Simple Vintage, Timeless Harmony from Simple Stories, we have this paper which has the piano, the violin, the harp on this beautiful floral background. And the back is a green ledger. And then we have the 3x4 and 4x6 element paper. Super gorgeous. Love all of the icons in this collection. And the back is a black and white diagonal stripe. So one more look at the pattern paper in the pattern paper add-on kit. The final add-on we're going to look at is the embellishment add-on. This one's always a lot of fun. So starting with 49 in Market, Glimmer and Glee, you are going to get a half a pack of the chipboard pieces. So these vary, but you're going to get all of these wonderful phrases for layouts. For the Bella Boulevard, Walking on Sunshine, you're going to get the 12x12 sticker sheet. So we have lots of borders over here, word labels. We have icons from the smaller ones to the larger ones. Super fun. I love that little sun. For the Doodlebug Design, Color Me Crafty, you are going to get a third a pack of the mini stickers. So this is the one that I got. Super cute. And the Simple Vintage Timeless Harmony, you're going to get the glitter enamel dots. So as you can see, lots of fun and lots of extra embellishments. So that is your embellishment add-on kit. One more look at the 3 add-ons. Be sure to check out the unboxing videos here for the flavors of the month, and I'll link up the Shots of Life as well. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have lots of challenges. We have a free sketch you can download there as well. We want to thank you so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.